from the front of the barn. And the horse stalls were next to this horse tank. There were 3 of them, and the garden tractor was sitting in the 3rd stall, and the horse trailer was sitting in the middle of the barn during the walkthrough. And this is the small paddock pasture, and you can see part of the barn, part of the structure out here. Pan around a little bit. Salt lick's still there. Stall fork's still there. Stuff in the big arena is part of the barn. See part of the beams back there. It's another shot of what used to be the round pen. You can see the fence standing up. All this debris back here was inside because I haven't seen anything from the tack room yet. This was where in the stall next to the tack room, we had stored some of these things, or a lawnmower and baker's rack, a bookcase or 2. Trying to see if I could discover where the horses went out, but it rained so much yesterday their footprints are pretty much washed away. With the insurance adjuster on Monday morning, and so hopefully we can start cleaning up everything. It's just a big mess. The neighbors on either side of us have a little bit of roof damage. I don't know if you can see the house that I'm pointing the camera at across the road. A lady I used to teach with and her husband live in that house, and it ripped the roof off. And their house and our barn, and there's another barn down the way that has been pretty badly damaged, but the 3 of us got the brunt of the storm, the worst of it. And if we hadn't had to be somewhere at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Bud and Madison would have been out here feeding the horses when the tornado hit. There was very little warning. The sirens did not go off until after the tornado hit. And I just can't think of what would have happened. It was just, this is just stuff that can be fixed. So it's okay, we're going to build a bigger and a better barn. It just kind of makes me sick to think of what could have happened. So anyway, that was our March 29th, 2007. It was pretty much a sucky day.